Hey guys, this video is on Tagmate's GA4 Implementation module. In this video, we will show you how to create a GA4 project and select the Tag Manager account and container for tracking standard events in GA4. Tagmate will push the event configurations to the GTM container in a couple of clicks, and you will need to just publish the GTM container to access the data in GA. Once you land on the Tagmate URL, click on Sign in with Google. After opting to sign in, select the account you want to use. Make sure the account you select is the same one connected to your Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics account. On the home page, you will see 3 modules. Since your objective is to track Google Analytics 4 events, you must click on the second module, GA4 Implementation. Click on Start Project. You are on the Tagmate dashboard screen. On the left navigation, you can see project name as a menu option. If you are logging in for the first time, you will see project not selected. Otherwise, you will see the default project name that you have created earlier. Click here to add your first project. This will open the project list screen. You will see a blank list with no project has been added yet message. In case you are an existing user, you can see all the projects listed here. You have the option to switch projects or add new ones. Here, one project means one website which you want to track in Google Analytics. Click on Add New to proceed. A form will open up to fill in the GA4 implementation project details. The first step is to fill in the basic details. Add a project name to identify the tracking website that you are working on. Let us add Tagmate Marketing website. The target platform selected is web by default, which will run for both web and mobile pages of your website. Add the industry type based on the type of business. Let us select e-commerce. Note that these are compulsory parameters. The second step is to fill in account details where you want to configure the GA4 events. Since you have already connected the GTM account, you will be able to see a list of Tag Manager account in the drop-down under the GTM account. Select the appropriate Tag Manager account. If you want to create a new account, click on the Create New option. This will land you on the Google Tag Manager UI screen where you can create the account, container and workspace. Once done, return to the Tagmate UI and click on the refresh icon at the edge of the drop-down. Now, you will see a message fetching containers. And you will find the list of containers linked to the selected Tag Manager account. Select the appropriate container. You can also create a new container by clicking on the Create New option. Now, you will see a message fetching workspace and you will find a list of workspaces available under the selected container. Select the appropriate workspace and you are done with the configurations. The last step is to fill the platform identifiers. For the destination platform Google Analytics 4, you will need to enter the measurement ID, which is the unique identifier of the Google Analytics 4 property, which will collect the data of your website. You can easily find the ID from your GA4 UI admin panel under the property section and data streams. Let's fill GA ABC1234 for now. Once done, you will see a module Improve Your Data Collection appearing. This is optional but necessary to add tracking codes and collect user or session identifiers for advanced analysis and remarketing use cases. You can deselect and opt out. This feature will auto-create the event parameters in your GA4 property and link to the Tagmate project. Select the parameters like client ID, user ID, hit timestamp, session ID, and others that you want to track. Click on Know More to understand the functionality of event parameters in GA4. Click on Create at the top right of the screen. This CTA stays disabled until you have filled all the mandatory fields in the project creation form. Now, you'll get a congratulatory message that your GA4 implementation project is successfully created in Tagmate. Close the message pop-up and you will be redirected to the dashboard to start implementing the pre-built templates. If you want to add additional projects, then click on the project name on the left navigation menu and proceed. If you have any questions, you can click on Help Center for more how-to videos and documents, or you can raise a support request with our team and we'll reach out to you within 24 hours.